Hi, I'm Michael Burstein, estate planning and probate attorney with offices in Culver City and Manhattan Beach. To properly understand living trust, one first has to understand why someone would want a living trust. And to understand its benefits, one should comprehend what probate is. Probate, I tell my clients, is the court-ordered distribution and supervision of assets. Probate is necessary for assets that are in the name of the decedent at the date of death. For example, if I own my house in the name of Michael Burstein, a single man at 123 Main Street, Los Angeles, and I pass, if I have a will, or even if I haven't done a will, someone has to have the authority to either sell my house or give my house to whom I've indicated I would like to give my house to in a will. For that to occur, his or her authority has to derive from something, and that's why probate is there. No one can sell my house without, if it's in my name and I am dead, even with a perfectly valid, beautifully written will, without authority granted by a court. And that is why probate exists. Similarly, if I had a bank account at the XYZ bank with a certain amount of money in it, there has to be something done before the banker or the teller at the bank or the manager will authorize the transfer of an account that is simply in the name of Michael Burstein at Michael Burstein's death. The bank, for obvious reasons, doesn't want to distribute the money to the wrong person. In California, if I have over $100,000 worth of assets that are solely in my name at my death, then a formal probate proceeding is required. Now that $100,000 number is fixed in the state probate code and is subject to change and will undoubtedly increase over the years. One major exception to that number, and is not included in that number, is automobiles. So I could have some very nice automobiles that add up to over $100,000 in value, but if I don't have other assets that are solely in my name that equal $100,000, the automobiles will never cause a probate. They will only get added to a probate. So probate exists to be able to clearly distribute assets, whether or not there is a will, and in a subsequent video we will talk about intestacy. But that is the reason that we need to have alternatives to probate so that we don't go through the court process, and a large one is what is known as a living trust. More about that in our next video.